Hello guys, I'm back with my channel History with Ishan. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I'm back with my for the second video and wishing you all a very happy 74th Republic Day. On this very special occasion, I'm bringing you all a video titled The Shreematis of our Samvidhan, Women Behind Our Constitution, Republic Day Special. So let us begin. Out of 389 members, 15 were women, as listed below. Kamla Chaudhary, Dakshayani Velayudhan, Suchita Kriplani, Purnima Banerjee, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Malti Chaudhary, Leela Roy, Hansa Mehta, Durgabai Deshmukh, Sarojini Naidu, Begum Azaz Rasool, Annie Mascarin, Ammu Swaminathan, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and Renuka Ray. So I will be just briefly explaining about two such members. So the first one is Leela Roy. Hailing from Assam, a complete feminist who encouraged and promoted women's participation in social and political movements, including the freedom struggle. To further encourage women's participation in public life in 1931, Roy established Jayashri, a magazine that operated as a platform for discussions and debates around nationalism and social issues. She was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Bengal on 9th December 1946. However, she resigned a few months later in protest to the partition of India. Second, Dakshayani Velayudhan. Hailing from a lower caste Pulaya family, she was proud to hold the distinction of being the first women scheduled caste graduate. Being elected to the Constituent Assembly from the Madras constituency at the age of 34, she was one of the youngest and only Dalit female member of the assembly. She made notable contributions on the issues for better representation of her community in politics, such as separate electorates and reservations, and on those issues which have marginalized her community, such as untouchability and forced labor. She was also a part of the provincial parliament along with her husband, making them the first Dalit couple in the parliament. Notable for her efforts of female emancipation, the Kerala government in 2019 instituted the Dakshayani Velayudan Award to be given to women who work for the empowerment of fellow women in the state. Yes, so that's all for the 42nd video. A very short and crisp glimpse into the women who were behind our laws, the ladies who were behind our laws, the the powerful women coming from different backgrounds and representing the interests of their communities, sitting in the assembly and fighting and advocating for the rights of the people at that time, and also trying to build a better India, far away and very different from the ones that we have seen under the British rule, because at that time we were independent and they were drafting a constitution for independent India. So yes, so we have a constitution, we can go online and read anytime, and we can also carefully study and analyze the articles if we pursue if you want to pursue that field. But we should be proud of our constitution on this day because it has given us many rights, and it also expects us to perform certain duties as a responsible citizen. So yes, and it's a document uh, which is based on our past experiences as a colony, reflecting on the freedom movement, you know, carefully discussed, carefully debated, negotiated. Every single thing was so carefully done in the assembly. And if you want to catch a glimpse of the debates and discussions that went behind the provisions of a constitution, I recommend you to watch Samvidhan series by Rajya Sabha TV at that time, but now it is Sunset TV on YouTube. So it's a series of 10 episodes which you can watch whenever you find time, 1 hour each, which gives us a beautiful glimpse into the working of our assembly while they were drafting the constitution. So it's a beautiful glimpse. You have everyone there. You have Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi ji. We have the whole partition unfolding before us, and how the assembly was formed, and people from various princely states and provinces sent the representatives to the assembly, and how everything was discussed. Moments of laughter, moments of sadness, moments of mourning, and also serious moments. So all these things, it's worth to watch in that 1 hour episode of each, and each episode is giving a glimpse into a different aspect of our constitution. Okay, so yeah, that's all for our 42nd video, and I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the like button, click on share, comment down below your views, and subscribe to my channel History with Ishan for more updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye and Jai Hind. And wishing you all a very happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.